Hello everyone. Recently, I ordered one Decor Therapy mid-century one-drawer wood side table from Daraz. As you can see, it's a drawer table, so best to use it as a side table. The packaging is up to the mark, no damage occurring during shipment. I will give 5 stars for the packaging and on-time delivery. It is the same as they have shown in the picture. Its height is 19 inches, the width is 18 inches. I wanted much higher than this table. I have one complaint. The paint has seeped out from the edges during painting. Although they claim it's deco paint, the seller should be careful while painting the table and secure the edges with tape. The legs of the table are balanced because it is a big concern to purchasing locally made tables, and I purchased this at 3,200 rupees, which I believe is economical. You cannot just use it as a side table. You can use it as a dressing table also, with one large size mirror that would be the perfect addition to your room. Very easy to assemble. So overall, it was a good purchase. Go for it, and highly recommended.